In this video, I'll show you how you can upload a YouTube video and then schedule it. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so join me and I'll show you everything that you need to do. So first, go ahead and go to youtube.com and make sure you're logged into the account you want to schedule a video on. So I'm logged into KnowledgeBase here. So what I'm going to do is click on Create in the top right hand corner, then click Upload Video, and from here what we can do is we can click Select Files, and then find the video that we want to upload. So I'm going to upload this video here, how to use Canva to make YouTube thumbnails. So if I go ahead and click open, it will then upload that file. Now what I need to do from here is fill out my title, description, and add a thumbnail. So I'm going to do that now and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I've typed out my title, we've got a description, and I've also added my thumbnail. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here, and no, it doesn't use any AI content. I'm going to paste in the title into the description, and then pretty much we're all done for this page. So now you want to go next, turn on any monetization settings if you're monetized by YouTube, and then just rate your video in terms of the advertisements and the ad suitability. Once you've done that, go to the video elements page and add any relevant subtitles or end screens. And then from here, you'll be taken to the visibility page. Here what you can do, you can go ahead and make it private, unlisted or public, or if you want to schedule this for a different date and time, go to schedule, click on this downwards arrow, and then you can schedule this for a future date. So I will schedule this for the 28th of March at, let's say, 10 PM. So once we're happy with that, we can make sure that it's processed and then schedule it. Now if you do click on schedule, it will process in the background. So just make sure you come back before the scheduled date just to make sure that there aren't any issues. But that's how you can schedule a video on YouTube. I hope that helped you out.